This place is perfect. Wow, Peppa, is this where we're going to have your birthday party? It sure is, Pedro, but... Uh-oh. What? Oh, wow. We still need to put the venue together. If I could only have the best birthday party ever. Will you help me put it together? Oh, Peppa, I'm sure they'd help you. Come on, let's get started. It's only one more day.
Hey, did you guys hear that? Peppa's birthday is coming up. Oh, Peppa, we need to get Peppa's birthday venue all ready. Check it out. We even have little birthday presents for Peppa.
Hi, everyone. It's me, Susie Sheep. I'll help you with the instructions.
So check this out. Here is Peppa's birthday plan ideas. She's going to wake up in the morning, think of her birthday, look outside and see the beautiful sky, and then she's going to invite all of her friends over. They'll bring presents, and then they can have birthday cake and a special candle lighting. Whoa! They might even bring some other things over, and we can do some fun activities at Peppa's birthday. So, first of all, we need to find Peppa, the friends, and all of these fun accessories. Wow! Peppa's birthday cake. It's chocolate flavor. Let's make a window, snapping this piece in here, like this, placing it on the wall, turning it around, and then we can already look inside.
Can you see me? I'm already so excited. Please come inside, see the progress.
We have the first floor of the house for the party almost complete. To get up to the second story, we're going to add a set of stairs, tabletop in the kitchen, and a cooking pot for anything Peppa wants to make for her birthday.
Oh, all this birthday preparation. It's making me awfully tired. I probably need a bedroom set. So I can take a nap.
Sounds like a plan, Peppa. Let's get started with the bedroom set. While Peppa sleeps, let's add some beautiful flowers. A window for privacy, and a clock and a wall so that we can't look inside. Another window. And lastly, let's add the roof. There's a birthday celebration package. Oh, I wonder what could be inside. We have birthday clothes for Peppa and Susie Sheep. To complete Peppa's birthday outfit, let's add a pink skirt.
Wow, I feel beautiful in my birthday skirt. Susie Sheep, I have a pink one for you.
And now we get to finish off Susie Sheep's outfit with a pink skirt. Look at these two best friends in their brand new birthday skirts.
Would you like to see around the house? I think it's time to get the birthday party ready.
Great idea. Let's open the front door. Peppa, we'll meet you inside. On the first floor of Peppa's birthday, we have a table, a pot, and a bathroom. And on the second floor, we have Peppa's bedroom with a pull-out drawer, 2 beds, and we can put her stuffy on one of them. If Peppa ever wants to have her friends over and jump on beds, whee! They totally can. I think Pedro's here. Hi, Peppa. I can't wait to celebrate your birthday.
Please come inside, Pedro. We have everything ready to bake a cake and open presents.
Pedro brought some stuff to make a yummy cake. Susie Sheep brought a present to hand out to Peppa. And of course, I brought a camera to take a picture of this fun day. Peppa, smile. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. To finish off Peppa's birthday, Pedro baked her a chocolate cake with a candle.
Oh, goody goody. My wish is that you are going to stay my best friends for a very, very long time.
You guys, you did a fantastic job building Peppa's house for her party. We've got a door, windows, a kitchen, everything she needs to have a fun time. I'm so proud of you guys and wish Peppa Pig a happy birthday by leaving a big thumbs up. Oh my goodness, Peppa is now going to spend time with her friends.